how to set a custom MP3 song or audio file as a notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, go and download a song that you want to use as your notification sound. So here on my browser, you can go and download a song. Once you have downloaded an MP3 song, then from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder, then tap on My Files. From here, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen in My Files. And then go to the Downloads folder. So go to the location where you have your MP3 songs. In my case, because I have recently downloaded the file, so it goes into the Downloads folder. So in your case, just go to where you have your MP3 songs located. So here in Downloads, I've got Taylor Swift, these songs here, and Spring in My Step, and AE. Okay, so if let's say I want to copy the Spring in My Step, so what you want to do is select the songs, touch and hold, and then select it. Then you can either move or copy. I'm going to choose copy. Tap on the copy button. And then at the top here, tap on internal storage. Now scroll down and then tap on notifications. And then tap on copy here. So the idea is to, we want to copy the songs into the notifications folder. Any songs that shows in the notifications folder will be available for you to choose from the list. Okay, after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications, or you can go into an app. So tap on apps in here and scroll down the list of apps. So let's say I want to change my notification sound for messages. So I'm going to look for the messages app. Here it is. And then we go down and tap on notifications. And then tap on notification categories. And then I would choose for incoming messages. And then tap on sound. Here you can see the sounds available. So Spring in My Steps. Now from here I can also choose to delete the songs. So you can see in the folder here, I have 3 songs in this folder. If I delete it from the list here, it will be removed from the folder. So same as Spring in My Steps, if I delete it, it will be removed from my notifications folder. In which case, once it is removed, it will no longer be available from the list for you to choose. So you need to go back in here and copy it over again. So I can select the file, recent files, and copy. Then I choose internal storage, go down to the notifications folder and paste it there or copy it there. And if I go back to my list of selections here, if I go back into sounds, and at the top here in the custom section, the song will become available again. And you can select the song. And that's it. That is how you can set a custom MP3 song as a notification sound for your app or for any of the app that you want to choose. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.